Hello, welcome to Way Programming channel. Today we are going to see how can we produce an input form in order to key in our data into an existing database table. First, we have to start the IDE, and then we have to create a project. Let's say we create a project called input form 2. Then we have to add a form by clicking new form. Then we name it also as a input form 2, and remember that we have to change the form to main type. Here from standard we have to change to main, and then we create a label called input form, another label name, and another label telephone number. We are going to use the telephone table that we have created before this, and then we have to put two text box. The first one we name it as text name, the second one we name it as text telno, and then we have to reshape the form so that its size is appropriate, and then we create a button. Okay, for the text box, the first one we name it the text name, the second one we name it as telno, and for the button we change the name to button save it as a variable. Okay, so now we have to create a event when we type we click the button save. So create a action save function, and we open a new module which we give the same name, input form 2. Okay, and then we change the window main into input form 2, as well as here we change it to import form 2 from main, and then we create procedure refresh to make it empty. After we have saved our text box, we want to remove the names and telephone number that we have entered. Okay, in our save function procedure, what we do is first we use the telephone that we have opened the table. When our form is loaded on init, it will run the open table function or the procedure, and when it on release, when we close it, it will close the table. Close table, here we use the command use. Open table, we use command use telephones, so you will use the telephone table that we created, and after using it, when you close the form, it will close the table. During which, when we save, you create an append. You append the data table, and then put in the value that we have keyed in into our forms. Okay, the text name value will be replaced into telephone's name field, and the telno value will be replaced into telno field in telephones. After they have replaced, a message is displayed saying that record has been appended. Okay, record has been appended, and then you will refresh. Okay, then when we close the form, the database will be closed. Okay, save it. Let's us build the form and see. Okay, now the form is successfully created. Let's say we put in the name Rita Barbara. The telephone number is 01242300920. Okay, click save. It says record has been appended. Okay, now we close it. Okay, in order for us to see whether the record is successfully added or not, we can run the program that I have introduced to before this, which is view dbf viewer. Okay, so I run dbf view to see whether the record is successfully added or not. The name of the table is Rita telephone, so Rita Barbara is here. Okay, so with this db view utility program, it's easier for us to check whether our program has been executed successfully or not. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.